Best food for nervous system repair. Ever wondered how to support your nervous system amidst the chaos of modern life? Picture this: a delightful remedy that repairs and rejuvenates your precious nerve cells, food. Yes, the key to a resilient nervous system lies in the world of culinary delights. Imagine relishing mouth-watering dishes while enhancing mental clarity and overall well-being. Join me on a journey through nutrition to uncover foods that are superheroes for your nervous system repair. Envision savoring vibrant fruits rich in antioxidants, nuts loaded with essential fatty acids, and hearty vegetables bursting with vitamins and minerals. These nutrient powerhouses unlock your body's natural ability to heal and thrive. Say goodbye to frazzled days. Embrace a new chapter of vitality and resilience. Discover how simple dietary adjustments can pave the way for a healthier nervous system and a brighter future. Check the link for helpful products and don't forget to subscribe for more holistic health insights. Antioxidant-rich foods are crucial for supporting the repair and maintenance of a healthy nervous system. These powerful nutrients help protect our cells from oxidative stress, which can damage nerve tissue over time. Berries, such as blueberries and strawberries, are well-known sources of antioxidants like vitamin C and flavonoids that promote brain health and nerve function. Additionally, dark leafy greens like spinach and kale contain high levels of antioxidants such as vitamin E and beta-carotene, which support overall nerve repair processes. Incorporating antioxidant-rich foods into your diet can provide a natural defense against neurological disorders and cognitive decline. Nuts, particularly almonds and walnuts, are excellent sources of antioxidants like vitamin E, copper, and manganese that contribute to the protection of nerve cells from free radical damage. Furthermore, colorful vegetables like bell peppers and carrots offer a variety of antioxidants such as beta-carotene and lutein that play a key role in bolstering the nervous system's resilience against degenerative conditions. By focusing on these nutrient-dense foods rich in antioxidants, you can nourish your nervous system with essential resources for optimal repair and maintenance. Omega-3 fatty acids are an essential component for maintaining the health of our nervous system. These healthy fats play a crucial role in reducing inflammation, supporting brain function, and promoting nerve cell repair. Research has shown that individuals with higher levels of omega-3s in their diet are less likely to develop neurological conditions such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Furthermore, omega-3 fatty acids have been linked to improved mood and cognitive function. By including foods rich in these fats, such as salmon, chia seeds, and walnuts, in our diet, we can support the repair and regeneration of damaged nerve cells. It is fascinating to consider the impact that simple dietary changes can have on the intricate workings of our nervous system, highlighting the importance of incorporating omega-3s into our daily meals for overall brain health and function. Nerve cell repair is crucial for maintaining a healthy nervous system, and consuming the right foods can provide significant benefits in this process. One key advantage of certain foods is their high antioxidant content, which helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation that can damage nerve cells. For example, berries such as blueberries and strawberries are rich in antioxidants like flavonoids, which have been shown to support nerve cell regeneration. In addition to antioxidants, foods high in omega-3 fatty acids are also beneficial for nerve cell repair. Omega-3s play a critical role in the structure of cell membranes, including those of nerve cells, aiding in their repair and maintenance. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are excellent sources of omega-3s, providing essential nutrients that support the health and functionality of nerve cells. By incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your diet, you can help promote the repair and protection of your nervous system for optimal function and well-being. Protective effects on nerves extend far beyond just preventing damage. Certain foods possess the remarkable ability to actively repair and rejuvenate our nervous system. Take walnuts, for example, a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids that can help boost nerve function and protect against neurodegenerative diseases. Additionally, blueberries are rich in antioxidants that play a crucial role in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in nerve cells, promoting overall neurological health. Moreover, incorporating turmeric into your diet can provide significant benefits for nerve protection. The active compound curcumin in turmeric has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that have been shown to support nerve regeneration and improve cognitive function. By understanding the potential of these foods to not only shield but also heal our nerves, we unlock a whole new realm of possibilities for maintaining optimal nervous system health and vitality. Vitamin B12, an essential nutrient for the nervous system, plays a crucial role in maintaining nerve function and repair. While this vitamin is primarily found in animal products such as meat, fish, and dairy, there are also plant-based sources available for individuals following a vegetarian or vegan diet. Fortified foods like nutritional yeast, plant-based milk alternatives, and breakfast cereals can provide a good source of vitamin B12. Additionally, some fermented foods like tempeh and miso may contain trace amounts of vitamin B12. Incorporating these plant-based sources into your diet can help ensure you meet your daily vitamin B12 needs while supporting the repair and functioning of your nervous system. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to determine the best approach for meeting your specific dietary requirements. Our nervous system is a complex network of nerves and cells that carry messages between our brain and body, allowing us to move, think, and feel. When it comes to nerve function and repair, certain nutrients play a critical role in supporting these processes. One essential nutrient for nerve health is vitamin B12, which helps maintain the protective covering of nerves known as the myelin sheath. Without adequate levels of B12, nerve function can be impaired, leading to symptoms like tingling or numbness. Another crucial nutrient for nerve function and repair is omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon and mackerel. These healthy fats have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the nerves, promoting repair and optimal functioning. Additionally, antioxidants such as vitamin E protect nerve cells from damage caused by free radicals, supporting overall nervous system health. Including these essential nutrients in your diet can provide the building blocks necessary for maintaining a healthy nervous system and facilitating repair processes when needed. Healthy fats are an essential component of a diet aimed at supporting nervous system repair. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish like salmon and chia seeds, play a crucial role in reducing inflammation and promoting brain health. Including sources of monounsaturated fats such as avocados and olive oil can also help to protect nerve cells and support overall cognitive function. Furthermore, incorporating nuts and seeds rich in polyunsaturated fats like walnuts and flax seeds can provide a diverse range of nutrients beneficial for neural regeneration. By prioritizing these healthy fat sources in your diet, you not only nourish your nervous system but also contribute to improved mood regulation and mental clarity. Embracing the power of healthy fats is a delicious way to enhance your overall well-being while supporting optimal nervous system function. Supporting myelin sheath regeneration is crucial for maintaining a healthy nervous system. Myelin, the protective sheath around nerve fibers, plays a vital role in transmitting electrical signals efficiently throughout the body. Certain nutrients and foods have been found to support myelin repair and growth, such as omega-3 fatty acids found in fish like salmon and flax seeds. These essential fatty acids help build and maintain the integrity of the myelin sheath, promoting efficient nerve communication. In addition to omega-3 fatty acids, incorporating antioxidants into your diet can also aid in myelin sheath regeneration. Foods rich in antioxidants such as berries, dark chocolate, and green leafy vegetables can protect nerve cells from damage caused by oxidative stress, supporting overall nervous system health. By including a variety of these nutrient-dense foods in your diet regularly, you can provide your body with the building blocks it needs to repair and regenerate the myelin sheath effectively. As we conclude our culinary journey for a healthier nervous system, I'm eager to hear about your favorite nerve-nourishing foods. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Which food surprised you the most? If you found this video enlightening, give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe for more insights on holistic well-being. Don't miss out on our upcoming nutrition guides. Ring that notification bell to stay in the loop. Check the link below for products that complement your journey toward a thriving nervous system. Here's to a future filled with deliciously vibrant health.